Meaning of deride.
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 Deride. The word deride means to mock or ridicule someone in a contemptuous manner. When somebody is being derided, it can damage their self-esteem and cause them embarrassment or shame. Deriding others can also lead to social tension and conflict, as it creates a negative and hostile atmosphere. As a result, it's generally considered unkind and insensitive to deride anyone, and doing so can have negative consequences for both the person being derided and the person doing the derision.